this is Paul Colligan, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up the ability to charge for a webinar online. We're using Eventbrite. You'll need to get an account first. That's free. You're smart enough to set that up for yourself. Once you'll see that there's events, you simply click on the Create a New Event button. Nice, simple, easy so far. You want to give it an event title. I've got a little off screen here with some of my notes so you don't have to watch me type. Location, we're going to be an online event. Date and time for this particular one is going to be March 22nd at 5 p.m. It's going to end at 6:30 p.m. And it's going to repeat never. The event details, again, let me grab these, cut and paste. Nothing more exciting than watching somebody paste. And nice, simple, easy there. Organization host, that was set up because I've been in there before, but you can, add your own accordingly. You set up the ticket price. Global service fees, basically, are you going to pass the fees on to the buyer or are you going to absorb the fees yourself? I'm going to pass the fees on to the buyer. Remaining tickets, I'm going to display. And in this particular case, I'm going to have first run tickets. Additional runs will cost more. We're going to have 100 of these. And I'm going to make these just $10 each. Again, you can obviously make these whatever you want. Status is they are on sale. And settings, you can describe your own description, minimum, maximum, how long you want to be on sale for. It's all there. More options than anything else. At this point, I'm not going to have another one. So we're going to get rid of that account type. And then basically promote your event page. Do you want to be public? Or you want it to be private, and then you want to pick a category. In this particular case, I'm going to pick business, and a secondary category, I'm going to pick classes. We've got a custom address here, and I'm going to change that to YouTube channel webinar.eventbrite.com. Nice, easy, simple, very, very cool. At that point, we can make the event live. As you can see here, by clicking that button, the event, after a minute or two or a second or two, it goes live, and you're able to check it out if you want. You can see here we have YouTube channel webinar, .eventbrite.com. You can see it takes Amex, Discover, MasterCard, Visa. Now the great thing here is, as you can see, the way the payment processing works, they provide a seamless checkout experience. They take the credit card, and then you want to set up your payment and make your payment information complete so they can pay you. And then you send out invitations, publicize your event, everything accordingly. Now let me show you the webinar side of the house, if you will. Again, here's the page. Pretty clean, pretty nice. Let me go over back to Eventbrite. We're going to close this off. And the one thing I want to show you here is I just want to show you specifically what to do with order confirmations, because this is where you're going to do the webinar part. Now, Eventbrite is normally for events where people bring tickets. We're not going to need tickets of any sort. And this is the confirmation email that they're going to get. So, I'm going to paste the information here. Now, in this particular case, I would make this a link to the live RSVP. My default email address is there. And then this is the order confirmation page. And I'm actually going to put the same exact thing here, and then you can see an example of what that would look like. We'll open up a new window there, or a new tab, and thank you for your order. Registration's complete. You can see here that this is how the whole thing goes on. So that's what that looks like. Nice, clean, easy. That's the order page. Nice, clean, easy. Once we're done, we're going to save this and enjoy. So there we go. At that point now, I can literally, take my event and I can start promoting it to the world. And I'm going to do just that the second I stop this video. So that's it. That's all you do to set it up. Obviously, once you're inside, you can, the email address sends everybody to the webinar series that you use. If you want to email attendees, you can do that through Eventbrite. Nice, simple, easy. And once all's done, they'll send you the payment and you will go from there. So that's it. I enjoy, look forward to seeing one of your webinars soon. Bye.